I am not your mother that has no value to you.
Sir, with all due respect, sir, you have to.
Will you shut up? I am not your mother that has no value to you. Keep quiet. When it is time to talk, I will tell you to talk. Let me do the talking now. When it is time, I will give you time to do your own talking. Excuse me. And don't come between me when I am talking. I have my children, grown-up children, well-trained children. Excuse me. What's your business? What's your problem? Ọmọ Yíbò wá bí jọ ní ó gbé ọmọ Yorùbá ó lóun ò ní fún lọ́mọ yẹn ìyá rẹ̀ wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ó láwọn agbọ́ ọmọ yẹn lọ ní ó dijọ́ tó bá wá sanwó orí òun. Ìwọ jókòó síbí ìwọ. I don't need due respect. I don't need your due respect. I am not listening to you now. I am not listening to you. Favor, keep quiet. I am talking. Shut up. I am not listening to you. Shut up. I am not listening to you. I do not ask you to stand up from there. That means I'm coming back to you. When I'm talking, you quiet. When you are talking, I kept quiet for you. Excuse me? Reasonable people are listening to us at home. There are many. You understand? Don't treat me the way you would treat your mother, please. When you are talking, I keep quiet. When I'm talking, you keep quiet. I cannot be looking at you. Koma so. I will caution you on what to say. You can hear on this set. You have to withdraw that statement that is my husband. I will never take that. You will not continue this discussion until you withdraw that statement that he is my husband. Because he never addressed you as his wife.
Sir, if he never addressed me as his wife, but I am going to address him as my husband.
Not on my set.
Sir.
Excuse me, if you are not comfortable, you can stand up and go. Not on my set.
Sir, I brought this man. I am going to address him as my husband. I am still on this.
Excuse me.
I am going to address him as my husband.
Excuse me. Then go back to your mother.
Then you have to listen to me.
Go and address her as your husband.
Yes.
Yeah. Ori ti wa pe. Tora ro mo wa to. Àbí ma bí ìpàbẹ́ àbí so bí mi rí. Àwọn ọmọ wa dákẹ́ tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó lẹ́lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni wọ́n. Torí pé wọn àforí gbálẹ̀. Àwa ò ní gbà. Òbí ni wá. A sì fẹ́ jẹ wọn mọ́. Gbogbo àwọn abiyamọ tó wà nílò sì fẹ́ jẹ wọn mọ́. My dear sister, if you cannot withdraw that statement, you can take your leave. You are not here under any duress. Neither anybody put any word in your mouth. What I want to hear from you, I will never take it. Revert it to him as your husband. Because what to ṣe láti jẹ́ ọkọ has not been done.
Sir,
excuse me. Your constitution you are proving. Have you been to court? Or to take her to the altar? Have you been to church? Have you done the traditional wedding? Tell me, nínú gbogbo tó lè mú yàn máa pè yàn ní ọkọ mélòó ló ti ṣe? Have you received blessing from your parents?
If
you are lórí ọkọ tó mọ́kọ tó wẹ̀, you don't need your parents' blessings?
Sir, she refused to collect the blessings. She refused to collect the blessings.
Your mother refused to collect the blessings from you.
Take the blessings. I am the
one. It's your mother that will collect the blessings from you.
I am the one that brought this man to her.
It's your mother that will collect blessings from you. Will collect blessings from her.
What is the reason why you think that I went to her at first that I have seen a man? It is because of I want to collect the blessings from her. I brought this man to her. If I did not brought this man to her, if I did not brought this man to her, how will she be able to give me the blessings? I am the one that honored her. It is
my dear sister. Stand up. Let me talk to you. Stand up. Stand up.
Inú ìdè lọmọ wa o.
Stand up.
Ọmọ tí ó lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀ tọ́tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti di pé kínní. Inú ìdè ló wà o.
Stand up.
Inú ìdè ló wà o. Ẹ bá mi pe Màánú kó bá mi tú ọmọ sílẹ̀ o. Ọmọ yẹn ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ inú ìdè lọmọ mi wà o. Ẹ bá mi bẹ̀ Manuel kó tú sílẹ̀ o. Skul tó ọmọ ò lọ sí skul mọ́ o. Ẹ wo ara ẹ ọmọ ti wà nínú oyún kejì o. O sì ní wọ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ tó wà ní skul o ti withdraw ọmọ kúrò ní skul o. Inú ìdè lọmọ mi wà o. Ọmọ mi ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti di ẹni àtìyá àtẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò gbogbo wa ló ń bú papọ̀. Ó wà lórí sẹ́ẹ̀tì mi ó lé orí mi ò pé ìyá ẹ̀yìn ló ṣì ẹ̀yìn àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀kan wà ní Àbújá ọ̀kan wà ní Abẹ́òkúta àwọn ìlàjọ wa níjẹta yẹsẹ.
Ọlọ́run bá yín wọ àwọn tó kù.
Àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
Ọlọ́run ò ní pa òun náà.
Àmín o.
Ṣùgbọ́n yóò bá yín wọ àwọn tó kù.
Àmín Jésù àmín Jésù. Àmín o tọ́.
Ọlọ́run ò ní pa òun náà.
Àmín o kí mọ̀ bá mi tú sílẹ̀ o tú ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó fi sí o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó wà o ọmọ tí ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ òun bó ṣe sí ọmọ yìí ó fẹ́ mú un lọ láti lọ sògùn owó ò lè rí ipa o tú ọmọ mi sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó fi sí o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó fi sí o abiyamọ ayé àwọn ẹgbàá mi o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè o.
má jẹ other side.
àní ìjẹ́ tó ní lánàá alánà ó wá bá mi ní lánàá alánà ó wá bá mi lánàá ní apẹtẹ.
madam ẹ mọ̀ gbọ́ when you are not on microphone you are not supposed to talk that is noise. ó dẹ̀ máa serve as barrier sí original voice tó fẹ́ jáde síta because you are not ready to use the microphone remain there or you go out of this studio let me talk to him. Mr. Emmanuel mo ti gba àkókò yín àbí kí n sọ pé ẹ̀yin gan ti gba àkókò ni ẹ wá tètè máa lọlé Favour o ti lóyún àbí are you pregnant.
That information is confidential, sir.
Okay.
I cannot disclose it on air.
Your mommy said you are pregnant again yes or no.
The information is confidential. I cannot disclose it on air. Perhaps maybe if we see off air, I can disclose the information to you, sir.
Ìwọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí lórí afẹ́fẹ́ when you see me off air you will slap me if you see me off air you will beat me so I'm afraid of seeing you off air so I'm using the opportunity of the whole world are looking at me if you do that they will see that you slap me so if you slap me behind the camera nobody knows you slap me so I'll just suffer alone so don't let me see you behind the camera because there's nothing you cannot do for me. Yeah. Mr. Emmanuel. Mark yẹn ti yí kúrò lẹ́nu rẹ̀ báyìí dáadáa. Your tradition from your state, your tribe, or what you have done with this lady, has it made her your wife now? Gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe fún ó ti lè jẹ́ kó bọ́ta fọwọ́ gbáyà báyìí pé Favour is my wife. I married her legally, I married her religiously, I married her traditionally. Does that make her your wife now?
Sir,
confidently.
Sir, I don't understand. What is it have I done to her?
No. Those responsibilities you have taken. You take care of her, you pay her school fees. That's what I'm referring to.
I only do that maybe because I'm trying to be kind. Probably she's carrying my kids and all of that. And in addition to that, I want you to know, sir, that there's been a time where a wedding marriage arrangement has been fixed by the mom.
But later cancelled.
She cancelled it.
Okay.
Because of her own selfish interest. So, if that be the case...
She cancelled it.
She cancelled it.
The wedding was not held.
Of course.
So, can we call her your wife now? See, you are a man. She's a woman. There's some mistake that a woman can make. You have a defense or an excuse for. If a man make it, you will be disappointed listening to yourself. And your friends that are listening to you at home now and your family. I want us to know, please let us know if she's your wife now or you are still trying, you want her to be your wife or she's your wife already. Because the way you addressed her the other time sounds
I have to address
reasonable.
her.
No.
Address her officially.
Mm-hmm.
I addressed her officially.
Is she your wife now?
I have to address her officially.
Is she your wife now?
So, that is that, sir.
I'm asking the question. Is she your wife now?
Sir, I am sorry. I don't think... I'm sorry. I don't want to say more than this. I'm sorry, I cannot answer that question. Because what brought me here online was that I took custody of her. I think that is what you should be treating. Let's declare to the world that I do not do that. Though, when she was sitting here, she makes some slogans, some utterances that not... Maybe probably because she's angry. And if... Maybe, I don't know.
It's not the first time she's been making it, you know.
So, I
you know how she's...
Personally, sincerely, I have tried to reconcile her with her mom. But it seems I'm not getting it right. It seems I'm not getting it right. Maybe I think because from the little I know about her mom, sir, I think her daughter is not happy with her.
That shouldn't be your problem. If her mom is not, even if her mom is worse than this, she's still her mom.
Like I said earlier,
do you have a replacement for her?
That I've been trying to reconcile them. I said it earlier. That I've been trying to reconcile them. I said maybe. Are
you comfortable with the way she addressed her mom here?
Well, I'm sorry to say, if her mom is not comfortable, then she should try and reconcile that.
Are you comfortable as a man? The woman with you addressed her mother like that. Are you comfortable?
Sir, if I have a daughter, I will train her the way I want to train her.
Thank God you have agreed that she's not trained.
So no, I'm coming, sir. I'm not saying she's not trained. I am saying that if I have a daughter, I will train her. And at no point in time, at no point in time will I do to my children what favor told me her mom has been doing to her.
Iná ni.
I mean, the way she talks really proves that she doesn't have home training.
So I don't think I should be blamed for that.
She lack home training. No one is blaming you for that.
So, sir, please.
I'm just asking if you are comfortable with that.
On the point of.
You need to tell me if you are comfortable with that or not. If you are not ready to answer that question, you tell me.
Sir, how do I say if I'm comfortable or not? I am not the one that trained her. The person that trained her should be accountable for whatever response she's getting from her daughter. Probably that is what she was trained. I mean, that is the way she was trained.
And I want to know if you will have to celebrate her as well if she talks to your parent like that.
If she talks to my parent like that, number one.
If your parent is have it.
I'm coming, sir. Number one. My parents will always present themselves being parents. I think so. My parents will always present themselves being parents. And my parents will always listen to us or to me being their child or us as their own children.
Yeah, because you are wiser than your parents, they have to listen to you.
No, sir, like what I said, that wasn't what I meant, sir. I'm not saying listen that whenever I'm talking. Most times you give children's audience to, okay, what is it like? I'm saying this in addition to what happened during this contribution money. When the daughter was telling the mom, do not use this money, it is not my money. She said, no, mo gbodo lo. So at that point, I think parents should always, this money does not belong to us. It belongs to someone else. Don't use it. So that is what I meant. I'm not saying I will always use an authoritative word on my parent or so. That is what I meant. Parents should at least give children listening ears.
So we all agree she has used an authoritative word on her parents.
I'm only saying this in a circular areas.
Samuel isu ẹni ní tọwọ́ Emmanuel abi. Emmanuel isu ẹni ní tọwọ́ ẹni bọ́pọ̀. On this matter, you don't have any fault.
Thank you, sir.
Honestly.
Thank you, sir.
Even if we thought you do before, the way she talks has proved that you don't have, even if you want to be afraid, that, oh, let's do this, she will tell you, don't worry. She's my mother, I know how to deal with her. Let me call her bluff. There's nothing she could do. At least I'm 20 years old. I can decide what to do. But I just want to know if you are now seeing her now as your wife, because she's seeing you as her husband. You have to be fair on her. Yeah, you are addressed as her husband. She just said it now. So I wouldn't want you to deny her. No, yeah, don't deny her. You can tell me that maybe later I will do the needful, but now she's my wife.
Sir, I'm not denying her. If a friend of mine sees me and call you my friend, maybe because I want it. That is why a friend, just for instance, I'm trying to use this as an illustration. So she calling me her husband. Probably maybe I've been filling that gap of a husband to her, and
maybe she wants it.
If you say so, sir.
Omori fún àwọn abiyamọ nínú ilé. Excuse me. Omori fún àwọn abiyamọ nínú ilé. Ọlọ́mọ ṣe ẹlọ́mọ àbí ìpàbẹ́. Ọlọ́mọ ṣe ẹni sọ bí mi rí. See the first statement you utter here. I am clinical years. I have the right to do this. I have the right to do that. Ọlọ́run o, ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ̀mọ́ ni bímọ dànù.
Àmì o.
I am a woman. I am an adult. I am above 20 years of age. Tí mo bá fẹ́ fẹ́ ọkùnrin kan, kò kí n ṣe pé mọ́mì mi ló máa fún mi ní ẹni tí mo máa fẹ́. I am the one that will bring a man of my choice. Kódà bó ṣe amúgbógan sef ni mo bá mú wá fún wọn. Tí ó bá ti tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn láti gbé pẹ̀lú ẹni yẹn, it is final. It is of my choice. When I met with this man, it was 2024.
Go well.
So buttress on some points.
Màmá ṣe gbọ́n tó mọ̀ ẹ́ sọ.
Mo gbọ́n tó sọ ta.
Ẹ sì bímọ mi.
Mo kú bímọ mi, òun lẹ̀kẹta ọmọ tí mo bí nù. Àwọn mẹ́rin mo bí. Àwọn méjì jẹ́gbọ́n, òun nìkẹta. Ó sì tún ní last born wọ́n jọ wọ school ní the same time.
Padà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí o sọ yẹn. Kí ìwò bóyá bó o ṣe sọ náà ló padà sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n sọ Yorùbá fún mi. Má torí pé o ti ń bá Ìgbò rìn, o ò lè sọ Yorùbá mọ́.
Láti ilẹ̀ náà ni Yorùbá mi kò sì fẹ́ máa dánmọ́ wọn náà tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ máa fi sí papọ̀ máa fi sí
kẹ́ ẹ bá
papọ̀.
kọ́ Yorùbá ni ẹ rà sáà kọ́.
Ó gbọ́ Yorùbá ń sọ Yorùbá.
Ó yá sọ́gun tó bá fẹ́ sọ gbà yẹn máa sọ̀rọ̀.
So máa fi sí papọ̀.
Kò lè jọra wọn.
Nígbà tí mo bá ọkùnrin yìí pàdé 2024 mo ṣiṣẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ POS kan ni. So nígbà tí mo bá wọn pàdé I was sick. I was having pains, so I just lied down on bench where I was working. Then he was passing. He saw my colleague pouring water on my head. Then he was passing. He saw that what happened. My colleague replied him that àwọn ọmọ kan tó ṣe pé maybe she's having pains. Then he took me to a nearby pharmacy, got me some drugs which I used, and it was very effective. Then later we started as friends. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi pé I should go and let my mom know that I have met a person. No. Then I told him that I cannot go, that mi tẹ̀lé lọ sọ fún mọ́mì mi nílé àtọ̀. He said that tí mi bá ti lọ sọ fún wọn lé pé àwọn máa fi mí kalẹ̀ mọ́. And I saw this man. He is a father figure to me. His attitudes, his behaviors are things that I found in a man very, very okay. Then I went home. I told my mom that mo ti bá ẹnìkan pàdé o. She asked me that what is his name. I told her Johnson. She said that she does not like that name Johnson. Then I told her that ṣé orúkọ lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́fẹ́ ni àbí woman being lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́fẹ́. Why would you tell me that you does not like the name Johnson? She asked me that ṣé Yorùbá ni. Mo sọ fún wọn pé rárá pé Igbo ni. Wọ́n ní pé ó tẹ̀ ti bọ̀wọ̀ jẹ́. She was just being sentimental that night. Àwọn ò like Igbo, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo. That night she took me to my father's grave. She naked herself that night. She was crying. She was crying. She was like, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo. She said that I should swear that I am going to leave that man. Mo sọ fún pé I cannot swear. But later on, I left this man because of I just want to do her wish. I just want to satisfy her. I just want to do everything that is going to make her happy. I left the man that I love for her sake. Then at Iyaganku police station, they separated us. They said we should not move close to ourselves again, which we agreed. Then after 4 months, going to 4 months, the test result is here, sir.
Wọ́n bí alẹ́ rè pé sọ̀rọ̀ tí lóyún ní.
Wọ́n bí mi léèrè ní Iyaganku police station pé ṣé mo ti lóyún.
Sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Igbo tó fẹ́ gan sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀ díẹ̀.
Wọ́n bí mi léèrè ní Iyaganku police station pé ṣé mo lóyún. Mo sọ fún wọn pé rárá, because I did not did any pregnancy test. I did not know that I was pregnant then. Mo sọ fún wọn pé rárá. Eléyìí tí ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ tú wa ká nígbà yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn wọ́n sọ pé ká má move close to ourselves again. Then later nígbà tí mo padà rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ oyún ti wọ́, kódà mi ilé lọ sọ fún mọ́mì mi gan sef nílé, àwọn sísítà mi mo sọ fún, àwọn ọlọ́wà sọ fún wọn nílé, wọ́n ní pé pé àwọn máa ṣe o, pé kí n má sọ fún Emmanuel o, eléyìí tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé sọ fún. But later bóyá níbọ̀ wọn ló bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ àbí pásítọ̀ kan ló bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ní pé kó jẹ́ kí Emmanuel mọ̀nà, pé tí wọ́n bá kọ́kọ́ sọ fún Emmanuel, then later tí kò bá wá gbà o, then she can proceed with it. Nígbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi, wọ́n ní pé kí n máa gbàdúrà pé kí Emmanuel gba kíní lọ́wọ́ mi o. Lọ́jọ́ tí mo dẹ̀ fi máa pé Mr. Emmanuel náà, the first thing that Mr. Emmanuel said to me that day is that I should not terminate any pregnancy because abortion is a crime. It is a sin to God, and it is also a sin to humanity. It is a sin under the Constitution of Nigeria that I should not terminate any pregnancy, that he is going to take full responsibility of me. My mom brought this man down to Oyo, to my place of residence. I have gotten an admission.
Tó try láti sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀ sí.
Mo ti gbé admission sí Ọ̀yọ́ nígbà yẹn. Kí wọ́n tó separate èmi àti Mr. Emmanuel. Mr. Emmanuel was doing a contribution of 10,000 naira to me that time. Because when I and Mr. Emmanuel asked, he asked that am I a student? I said no, that I am searching for admission, of which I have been trying for some years now, that I have been failing.
Level ni mọ́mí ẹ̀ sanwó ẹ̀ dé.
Ẹ ṣé sà. Level tí mọ́mí mi sanwó mi dé, it was 100 level first semester, of which the money was 211,000 naira. The second part of the payment, it was my husband, Mr. Emmanuel, that paid that money.
Shut up.
Right now.
Shut up. Who is your husband?
This man.
He does not address you as his wife when he was talking here because he knew the right thing.
Sir.
It was Mr. Emmanuel. Don't say my husband.
Sir.
What made you his wife?
Sir.
Excuse me. Withdraw that statement.
Sir, with all due respect, sir, under the law Constitution of Nigeria, a 18 years old can get married without the consent of my mom. A 18 years old can
without
get
the
married.
consent of your mom.
A 18 years old can get married under the Constitution of Nigeria, sir. With all due respect, I am saying this.
So excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Half-baked. You are a total half-baked. You are ignorant of everything. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ ìsọwọ́ tó fi sí mú ó dẹ̀ rún. Ó lè sọ pé o lè ṣe tó wẹ̀. Kí ló sọ yẹn dìyàwó? Ṣé wọ́n bá yẹn sọ lò dìyàwó ni? Has he done anything on you? Has he visited your parents? Have you received marriage blessings from your parents? And you are calling yourself his wife. And he's addressing you here as Miss with your he's addressing you as Miss Favor. He's telling you that he has not married you and you are addressing him here as your husband. Are you okay?
Sir, with all due respect, if you say that, I understand, but I want to let you know that the decision is based on me. I have the right to choose a person I love, a person I want to be with.
Who said you don't have that right?
It is not my mom that will choose a person for me. It is I, Favor, that I am going to.
That you don't need the blessing of your parents.
Sir, you haven't
say
let me conclude.
No. What are you concluding? Omori fún àwọn abiyamọ nínú ilé. But excuse me. Omori fún àwọn abiyamọ nínú ilé. Ọlọ́mọ ṣe lọ́mọ àbí ìpàbẹ́. Ọlọ́mọ ṣe ẹni sọ bí mi rí. See the first statement you utter here. Hey, I am clinical years. I have the right to do this. I have the right to do that. Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ̀mọ́ ni bímọ dànù.
Àmì o.
Seriously.
Let me
It's okay. When it is time for you to talk, I will tell you to talk. Quiet. I am not your mother that has no value to you.